ওকে, আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু। সুপ্রিয় দর্শক, আজকে আমি কথা বলবো ড্রাইভিংয়ে ভেরি ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট একটা বিষয়, সেটা হচ্ছে ব্লাইন্ড স্পট। আজকে ব্লাইন্ড স্পট নিয়ে আপনাদের সাথে আমি কথা বলতে চাচ্ছি। সেই ব্লাইন্ড স্পট, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ব্লাইন্ড স্পট? ওকে, ফার্স্ট অফ অল, ইফ আই ওয়ান্ট টু টক অ্যাবাউট ব্লাইন্ড স্পট, সো I have to understand, we have to understand the what is the blind spot. Okay, what is the blind spot? The blind spot is the spot area where we can see, we cannot see in my direct eyes, the driver eyes cannot see directly, and the spot, the area cannot see in the mirror. In the mirror also cannot see. Okay, so what is the blind spot? The spot area, the spot area cannot see in the driver eyes and cannot see in the mirror. That area is called is blind spot area. Okay, blind spot area is the number seven, number seven uh, lesson, number seven lesson. Okay, then I already discussed what is the blind spot. After then, understand what is the blind spot. Okay, the blind spot. What is the blind spot? Blind spot is the spot area that that area cannot see in the driver eyes directly, and that area cannot see in the mirror. This is called blind spot for driving. Okay, understand what is the blind spot. Suppose I give an example. This is very good example for you maybe. Okay, what I'm understanding, what I'm understand for blind spot. Blind spot is the I understand is like that. This is my head, forehead. This is my forehead, and this is my uh, cheek cheek cheek. Okay, and this two is my ear. So blind spot is the area. Suppose you see my face, this is the 12 o'clock position, and this is the 6 o'clock position, this is 3 o'clock position, and this is 9 o'clock position. So in the clockwise, if we thing, our face is the clock, so this is the 12 o'clock, and this is the 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. The spot area we cannot see, that is called blind spot. Blind spot, how to check? Look over the shoulder. So this is my shoulder, and my shoulder, look over the shoulder, I have to check for blind spot. So suppose this is the 12 o'clock, and this is the 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 9 o'clock position. The blind spot is the 9 o'clock and 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock, the position is the look over the shoulder. Just this one is the this one is my 9 o'clock position, and 9 o'clock position to 8 o'clock position. In between, I cannot see in the mirror car. That's why this point is the blind spot. Okay. At the same time, this is the 3 o'clock position, and for my 3 o'clock position to 4 o'clock position, 3 4 o'clock position, from 3 o'clock, and from 3 o'clock position to 4 o'clock position, I cannot see in the mirror. That's why this is the blind spot, and this area I have to check by look over the shoulder is like that. This is the blind spot area. Okay, so at the 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock position, I can see in the mirror. In the mirror from my right side, and from my left side is the 7 o'clock and 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock position. In this position, I can see directly, I can see in the mirror. So this is not blind spot. Blind spot is the 9 o'clock to 8 o'clock position is the blind spot position, and half sorry, the blind spot also the 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 8 o'clock. Okay, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 10 o'clock position also consider is blind spot. And 3 o'clock, from 3 o'clock to 1 o'clock, sorry, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock position is the blind spot area. Okay, so easily we understand what is the blind spot and when to check the blind spot. Blind spot is checked when we are going to turn our vehicle, turn our steering wheel especially. Okay, if we turn the left side of the wheel, left side of the wheel, suppose I want to turn left, I want to go no, I want to going to turn left, so I have to check the left mirror and left blind spot. Okay, so I have to check left mirror and left blind spot. This is the time we have to check. When to check? When we are going to turn. What turn? Left turn, right turn, U-turn, any turn. When we are going to turn our steering. At that time we have to check our mirror and blind spot and changing lane. These two time when we are turn, when we are change the lane, either left turn, either right turn, either U-turn, uh, whatever we are turn, we have to check mirror and blind spot and changing lane. Before the changing lane, just before the changing lane, we have to check mirror and check blind spot. If we turn left, if we change toward left, from left to right, we have to check a right and right blind spot, right mirror, right blind spot. We have to check. If we check from left, then we have to check left mirror and left blind spot. Okay, how to check? Just check is look over the shoulder, look over the shoulder, look over the shoulder. How to check? This is my 12 o'clock position. I have to check 9 o'clock at the 10 o'clock to 9 o'clock and 8 o'clock position, like this. Like this is the my shoulder, and look over the shoulder is blind spot area. Then when to check and how to check, I already discussed. Okay, stopping and moving off from the curb side. Stopping and moving off from the curb side. Curb side. Stopping the curb side, you have to check two things must. Is it gonna safe to stop? Is it gonna safe to stop for the curb side? Maybe you have to check a double yellow continuous line, single yellow continuous line, double yellow continuous line, single yellow continuous line, double white continuous line, and single white thick continuous line, or broken uh, unbroken zigzag line, or double yellow zigzag line, uh, single white zigzag line. Whatever we have road marking must follow this. Uh, this is the this is the route marking: double yellow zigzag line, uh, white zigzag line, double yellow continuous line, single yellow continuous line, double white continuous line, and single white continuous line. This road marking we cannot be safe for stop. Okay, but we can stop at the double yellow continuous line at a short while. Maybe the stopping, and maybe stopping for dropping down or picking up, put on the hazard light, then uh, put on the hazard light, then we stop, and just a short break, then we go, and then we check our uh, stop the hazard light signal and turn on the right side indicator, uh, right intention indicator, and then right blind spot, check mirror, all those things, then move forward, moving up. And stopping and how to stop: check mirror again, look at the top mirror, look at the wing mirror, and look at the blind spot. That's all. And slowly stop and stop. Able to check blind spot Move up, stop, and curbside with safety precaution. Able to understand what is the wheel track direction. Okay, this is the our starting part. So we are not going to discuss our starting part today. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for us who are learning the driving